Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia. I thank you for clicking on my video, and to my subscribers that keep coming back, I just thank you for always coming back, always being here and commenting on my videos. You guys know I love talking to you guys in the comments, and today what I have for you guys is it's a mini haul, but to me it is something so exciting, and most honestly I feel like I've been waiting for 2 weeks. I'd need to look to see exactly how long I waited for it, because it most honestly feels like 2 weeks or longer. But I really had been wanting this since it came out, and then I went ahead and I used my 20% coupon on it, and let's just get right into it. All right, so you guys saw the box. What do you guys think is in here? Tell me right now. Some of you guys maybe you have it or something, but tell me, what do you guys think it's in here? And I so am praying that everything is intact and that nothing is broken, because I will be sad. Let's open it. Okay. I got one big thing basically in this box. And then since I had a free rewards, I still have more. You guys know I'm always shopping. I have my one last thing I needed from the tropical line. And I had been saying I already have everything, but it's because I've ordered this like a while back and it still hadn't got here. You guys know, trash. Invoice. Let's see if it says, yep, see on my invoice, it always shows, for the most part, one time I think it said the right amount. It only shows that I was charged the total amount for the $6, which is the shipping. I don't know if the lighting, if you guys can see. It's like $6.46. That's all it usually shows on my invoice, usually. But when I check, trust me, I checked my credit card before doing this. It charged the right amount. Okay, so here's the last of the tropical line I was waiting on. I'm gonna have to spray it. By the way, I don't want to forget. Let me show you my scent of the day. It's this one for today. Hello, beautiful. And look, I kind of matched my lipstick. This is a MAC lipstick. I don't remember the name because I would have to look it up to see if I could put it in the bottom. It was scraped off of the bottom of my lipstick. I don't know why, but all right. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm loving it, by the way. Yes. But now we're going to spray this on. We're going to spray. I still could smell the Hello Beautiful. Oh, well, I really still could smell it. So let's do right here. So this one is, in case you didn't see the name, Fiji Sunshine Guava Teenie. And it smells so good. I've been telling you guys I was going to do a ranking video, which is going to come. It's just I was waiting on this one because I'm going to basically rank the body creams. I have all of them and the fragrance mist together. And we'll see which one is my favorite, which I'm honestly having a hard time. I'm having a hard time which one it's putting number one. I kind of have my low. Anyways, that video is to come. Now, one last thing. One last guess. What's in here, friends? Hey, this looks like a good thumbnail. This looks like it's closed pretty well. It's safe so far. Now I'm gonna be the one to make a mess. Maybe a lot of you guys guessed it. Am I holding it upside down? Yes, I am. I got the pineapple petals, so I had really wanted this one so bad. I even like the bunny one, friends, but the thing is that I'm not going to use that all year. And then this one, I'm practically going to use it all year, I think. In the winter, we'll see what they have. But all spring and summer, this is going to get a lot of use. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. And let me go see if I have batteries so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm back. Look at the beauty. Look at how pretty it is. Okay, so I have a couple of candles that I wanted to show. Like, I've been burning this candle, friends, and it gets a bit dirty there. So yeah, on the edges. So I might put this, I think I'm going to put this one in there. Or, like, this will look so tropical. My hibiscus paradise. Look at this. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I am so happy about this. I'm gonna go set it out in the living room and see where I'm gonna put it. And then okay, so I tried to clean this out a little bit. I need to put, usually I do it with like oil, the olive oil that I use for cooking. So that's what I clean it with. But we're gonna set it out, and then I'll show you guys where I put it for now, at least. All the kids are like, or Aiden was like, can I use it? Can I use it in my room? Wants to use it like a nightlight. The batteries are gonna go out. I wonder how long that battery will last like that. Anyways, I am so happy. I hope that you guys liked this small mini haul unboxing. And now that's it for all of you guys that just came to see the unboxing. But for those of you that are following what's going on with my son Austin and all of that, you guys can stick around, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit, and maybe a couple other things too. All right, so that's it, right? Now, tomorrow I need to take my son Austin. He's 6 years old, because he's been having tummy aches and tummy problems, lots of them actually, and I need to take him to get the endoscopy. Now, the problem I'm having with that is that I'm a very, you could say, I told you guys many times, please, if you guys are here, you know, I'm an emotional person, empathetic. I carry my emotions on my sleeves practically. And I have cried over this, you know, having to take him, having to find out that maybe he has celiac disease. We will hopefully find out for sure tomorrow and all of that. But he wants me, Austin wants me to be the one to take him to the hospital, because he just feels better with me, he says, since I think it's because I'm the one that takes him to all his doctor's appointments. I'm the one, obviously I'm home all the time. My husband works, you know, so that basically I could stay home. So he works a lot, and I just don't know if I could be the one. And I was telling him, you know, I think daddy's better. I think daddy can take you. He's gonna, I don't know. I don't even know what to tell him, because I'm just so afraid that I'll start crying in front of him as they pull him in, you know, to do the endoscopy, because I don't want my son to get anesthesia. And then when I was talking to the nurse today, because they call you to do, you know, tell you like what's going to happen tomorrow and all that, they ask you questions. Some of the questions she was asking me made me so nervous. She named it, I don't know the name of it, but she's like, has anybody in your family had, I don't know the name of this word, I can't remember it. Has anybody had basically like a major problem with anesthesia? And I just told her we haven't. But then you start thinking, well, what if my son does, you know? And that's the kind of stuff that makes me nervous. But anyways, we will see who's the one to take him tomorrow. I think it's going to have to be me, even though I didn't want to have to do it by myself. Because of COVID, my husband can't go with me. If it wasn't because of COVID, both of us would be there together, and I know that I would feel better. Like, I don't want to be there by myself. I feel like I need that support. I don't want to be there by myself. Like, even if it was my sister, my mom, my husband, somebody to be there with me and my son, you know? I had to put my big mama pants on, and I got to do it, but it is hard for me. So that's all I've got to say. I know if anybody thinks, you know, it's not hard, like, why am I being such a crybaby over it and this and that? That's just me. That's how I am. Please do not write that in the comments. That will get to me, and I just can't take it right now. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. That's all. Hopefully I will update you guys tomorrow. Let's see how everything goes. I will, if I can update you tomorrow, I will update you on the following day, and we'll see how everything goes. Now, another thing I wanted to talk about too, the other thing that I wanted to touch on again, is that I've truly been loving to do these kind of videos, and I've been getting a lot into the hygiene videos too, and I watch a lot of people here on YouTube on that, and it is so fun, like, to me, doing these kind of videos. It is keeping me away from thinking of like all the real stressors out there and all the ugly things that are going on in our world. It's just really keeping me happier. So I hope to continue to do that. I hope that it's not something where you guys think I'm just like copying somebody else. I hope that you guys look at the videos more as like, oh, she went to Target and at her Target they have these things, and at the other Target, you know, from another video they had this. Basically, I don't know why we can all do this. Like, if you were thinking of doing videos like this, I urge you to do them. Like, why not? If it's something that you feel like it's going to bring you joy and happiness, do them. I just say that because I feel like I've been seeing a lot of things where someone, I think in particular, said that they were the first in doing these kind of videos, and great, I'm happy. But I don't see why we can't all do them. That's all I'm saying. I hope that with that said, that I'm never copying anyone directly, that I'm still speak the way that I speak, and that I still share the love of things that I truly love. And that's all I wanted to say. I don't know. I just felt like I needed to say that because it kind of bothered me a little bit. And I just wanted to say that. I do not mean to be, none of us, I think, are professionals. You know, I think that as long as you love something and you can share with others, or you have more knowledge of something and you can share with others, why not? Let's all share. I've told you guys before here, if you've been subscribed to me for a little bit, when I do my shout outs especially and all that, you guys, if you want to do these videos, do them. But that's the thing. Yeah, I know we do have to grow thick skin. I know, me too. Trust me. It's not that easy, right? But you can do it. If I'm a regular person just like you, I'm a mom. I stay home with my kids. We do Zoom school right now. What else? I have 3 boys. I'm a wife. You know, that's who I am. And I wanted to share that because it's just what I was feeling in my heart. And I guess because when anything bothers me, friends, I can never keep it inside. Maybe that's like a downside of me as well. I will never keep something inside. If it bothers me, I have to speak on it. And once I speak on it, even if there was no change for whatever reason, I feel better. That's the kind of person that I am. Trust me, talk to any boss, anybody that I've ever worked with. I've never keep my mouth shut, and it's gotten me into trouble sometimes. I just need to learn how to talk and how to, you know, say what I need to say. All right, I've been talking too much in this video. I love you, my friends. I hope that you guys will keep me in your prayers, especially tonight. Make sure that I'm a strong mama tomorrow. And I will be here tomorrow. I did do a video. I don't know if I told you guys in the beginning. It's already ready for you guys for tomorrow. And yes, I'm wearing the same thing in that video, but at least I get to talk to you guys in the comments over something happier that makes me happy. And we will see. Dog is barking. Talk to you guys later, friends. Stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.